Hey guys, today we are going over how to maintenance and grease your machine. First thing that you're going to want to do is grab a little screwdriver. It's got to be skinny. Usually a Rainbird screwdriver, irrigation screwdriver works the best. But what you'll want to do is get to every single spot. It's crucial that you get the dirt out of the surrounding area and where the greaser actually is at. So that way when you pump in the grease, it doesn't pump any dirt into it. So all you got to do is come in, take a swath out, you'll grab paper towel, and if you're at a job site, you can even just put it right into the dirt. Make sure you clean off the grease zerks, and you'll go through and do it to all of the grease zerks. It's important you do this so that grime and dirt doesn't get pushed in and then actually prevents dirt or grease from getting inside. So when cleaning and greasing, you will have 10 grease zerks on each side of the skid steer. So there'll be 20 in total that you need to maintenance either daily or every other day, depending on how much you are running the equipment. So starting in the back, you'll have 1, 2, you can't see it, but right here, 3, there's another one right up here, 4, another one tucked away, 5, 6, and then you'll have 7 on the inside of this hydraulic. There's 8 on top of this ram. There's 9 you can get from the back side. And then one of the more important ones is back here for the actual pins to latch down on your attachments. So you just scoop. And then grab your grease, get it clamp on to the grease zerk, grease for 3-4 seconds, stop and see if your grease has pushed out like it has right there, and then that is enough. You can over grease. So on your pins for your attachment right here, here is your grease zerk. You're going to want to grease it a little bit. It does not take that much to get the pins done. Just a little bit. The grease will push out with your pin. So take that off. It's very important not just to grease, but also to grab some WD-40 or JB-80. You can spray a little bit right there. And then if you go to this side, this is the top side, it just tipped down. Any pivot point back in here, there's also, if you can see, a big spring. You want to get all of that sprayed with WD-40. Make sure to hit everything. This will help prevent any grime from holding the pins and causing you a lot of headache. So that is to do your daily maintenance greasing and spraying your WD-40 on your pins. There is more grease zerks on the machine, like your track, and inside here is all the suspension, and the tension for your tracks is actually held by grease. Did it just